If you want to have a true glow up so quickly, and it has everybody wondering, what did she do to have literally the most amazing glow up? Then let's get into these 5 tips I'm going to give you for having a true glow up. And it's going to be all about skin. To have the true glow up that you really want, we're going to talk all things what we're eating. Okay, so a couple of foods that I love to eat that really, come to find out, give me that internal glow is salmon. One thing about me, I love a good fish, salmon being one of my favorite foods, and it naturally gives you that really great glow. Foods that are going to give you that great internal glow that I think are super yummy, but I've heard some people have arguments about it, and one of them happens to be going viral right now, and that is sardines. Everybody's been talking about canned sardines lately, and it turns out that this is a really good food for your skin. And luckily for me, I already really love sardines. So things like avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflowers, sweet potatoes, carrots, blueberries, and all of the fish will give you that internal glow. My favorites do happen to be salmon and sardines. You guys, there's literally so many recipes that you can find online to really support the food and like trying different things. Once upon a time, I was not a sweet potatoes girl at all, and lo and behold, I forced myself to eat it, and now it turns out it's literally one of my favorite foods. So let's focus on leaning into foods that are really good for our skin, because that's just gonna literally support our mission of having that true glow up. Let's talk all things body care. We're gonna be switching out that loofah, and we're going to be going for an African net sponge instead. I actually got one of these tips from my best friend. She actually is African, and she was telling me about this net sponge, and I was like, wait, this is the secret. This is the legit secret. When I tell you guys, it literally exfoliates my skin so good, and it also helps you to exfoliate those hard to reach spots like on your back. And I know there's some people that do have back acne. Sometimes I do get back acne from time to time, and I want to say it's going to help you to really clean your entire body, and it's a really good investment. You can find them on Amazon and probably a local's farmer's market as well. The things that I like to use for my body regime is number 1, the Olay Super Serum Body Wash. That is one of my favorite body washes. They have different variations for the different like types of things you want to do for your body. So I would highly suggest looking into that line. It's so good. They carry it literally everywhere. I also really love Aveeno lotion. I feel like I can get dry sometimes. Like I can get very dry in my skin. It really depends on the weather. I mean, I did move to Miami within the past year, so maybe that has a little bit to do with it as well. But I've been realizing that I've needed a lot more hydration than normal. So Aveeno has been one of my favorite lotions. And then for body oils, I love to use a bio oil as well as a vitamin E oil. And when you mix the two together, these are really going to help to get rid of dark marks and any new scars and old scars on your body. But stay very consistent. I really like to apply this mainly at night, those heavier oils, but you can also mix this in with your lotion as well. I found myself doing like a little concoction and mixing the lotion with the oil for the daytime if I really want to get that extra glow to my skin. And one of my favorite things is to use sunscreen. Sunscreen is really going to help to maintain an even skin tone and to fight off the sun. I know sometimes like black people, they'll be like, oh, like we don't need sunscreen. Yes, we do. So everyone should be wearing sunscreen. One of my favorite sunscreens that I've been using recently is the Bioma. I also hear really great things about the Super Goop. I had to use it once upon a time. I haven't been using it recently, but that is another really good one. And then the topicals under eye patches really help to restore my under eyes and bring them back to life. I also really love to use an eye cream around my eyes for any dark marks, and also this is one that maybe people don't think about, but say you have allergies, which is something that I have. I'm literally allergic to all seasons, and I am allergic to quite literally every single animal. So you guys, taking your allergy medicine is a really big one because it helps you from not rubbing your eyes as much. When you're rubbing your eyes, you will literally get darker eyes. Let's remember to hydrate our eyes and under our eyes, and taking our allergy medicine too. For my skin, I really love the Papa Recipe face mask, but honestly, like any face mask, from day to day, and anything that's going to bring that moisture back to your skin. I will leave all of these products listed down below for you guys so that you can have like a little bit extra support. And that, but making sure that we're just putting hydration back into our skin. And then products for the lips, because I feel like you can't skip your lips when we're thinking about a glow. I love a good lip product. What girl doesn't like her lip products? Like, be for real. One of them being Aquaphor. I feel like that's just like a great one to put on at night before you go to bed, first thing in the morning when you wake up, just to keep that hydration in. I also really love the CoverGirl lip balms that they've been having. They're so good and luscious. They're kind of like if I'd say a lip balm and a lip gloss had a baby. And then I really love the Summer Fridays lip balm as well. I would say kind of the same type of vibe. And then as well as the Laneige Lip Mask. This one, oh my god, I was obsessed with the Laneige Lip Mask for years. I feel like it's a great go-to product for every day, but especially for, of course, going to bed and early in the morning. These are all of my go-to products. I would definitely say to recommend to anybody that really wants that glow for summer. You just have to really be very consistent at the products that you are using, especially those oils, to get rid of any scars or evening out your skin tones, and even down to your body washes and the lotions, because there's so many brands that can really help your skin to just be very bright and glowy. And the more that you put oils and lotions onto your body, the more that your skin is going to naturally have that radiance. So yes, be consistent, ladies. Also, be sure to click down below in the description and it will have all the products listed below for you in my shop. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know the next video that you want to see, because I feel like these glow up series is so fun for me to do. So I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.